Fifth graders, we're going to take a look at some geometry concepts, and these will look very familiar, some of them, and some of them might just be a reminder. Geometry is something that measures and compares when we're looking at points, lines, angles, surfaces, or solids. So what are each of those things? Let's go back to the basics. So a point, one spot and an exact location. Sometimes we look at a point on a line, and when we put 2 points on a line, that creates a line. But a line segment is just between those 2 points. Parallel lines, put your arms like that, ones that will never intersect. A ray, you're not going to see this on objects you look at today, but it's a point and then a line that continues on and on and on. Let's look at angles. This is a refresher. So we have an angle that has a point of a vertex and 2 lines that create an angle. 3 types of angle are acute angles, obtuse angles, and right angles. When 2 lines cross, they come to an intersecting line. When 2 lines create a right angle, even if it's at an angle like this, it's called perpendicular lines. So polygons are closed figures made up of line segments. We have regular polygons with line segments that are all exactly the same length, and irregular means the line segments are not the same length. Triangles can come in right triangles with right angles, acute triangles with less than right angles, and obtuse triangles which have 1 obtuse angle. There's types of triangles based on their side length. So when no sides are equal, we call it a scalene triangle. When 2 sides are equal, we call it an isosceles triangle. And when all the sides are equal, we call it an equilateral triangle. Quadrilaterals are 4-sided. Pentagons have 5 sides. Hexagons, 6 sides, like a beehive. Heptagons have 7 sides. Octagons have 8 sides. Nonagons have 9 sides. And decagons, deca meaning 10, have 10 sides. Some polygons have lines of symmetry. We've learned that word before. So when you fold it in half, it's exactly the same on both sides. Some have more than 1 line of symmetry. Solid figures in 3 dimensions have faces, have edges, and have vertices. So take a look at all those geometry terms, and here's your task to do today. You're going to look around your house and see if you can find something with these characteristics and attributes of geometry. So you might find a book, and you might talk about its vertices, its face. You might look at the perimeter or the area of the figure. You might say what type of shape this is. A quadrilateral, there's 4 sides. You might find something that's a little more irregular, like, let's say my art easel. And so it's a triangular prism that has vertices at the edge, and it's an irregular triangle on different sides. So you look around your house, see if you can find some 3D or 2D shapes, and share them in Schoology with your class. Thanks for listening, 5th graders. Bye.